Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Let's give this video a full watch. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my pan-seared chicken salad. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So I want to give my friend Nicole a shout out. She did buy this board for me for Christmas. She got it engraved with my name. I'm so in love with it. I'm going to leave her Instagram in the description below. She does do the cocoa bombs as well as the breakable cakes, and she does ship. So make sure you guys give my friend Nicole a follow on Instagram as well as me. I'm going to start showing you guys everything I put inside of the salad. So I did have a pack of chicken breast with English cucumber, an avocado, a Roman tomato, as well as a red apple. You can use green, but I like the red apple. And then we're also going to need a head of lettuce. Now the dried cranberries is optional. I like the sweetness it brings to the salad. So again, I'm just showing you guys the product that I use to wash my fruits and vegetables. If you guys haven't, you should really give it a try. So I'm just going to start off by chopping my head of lettuce. Get rid of all the bits that we don't need. And all the brown from the lettuce as well. Now we're just going to give this a rough chop. Now you can shred the lettuce or you can just do it in bigger chunks like me. I like my salads to be on the hearty side, that way it keeps me full throughout the day if I'm just eating this. So next I'm just going to slice the cucumber. Now I sliced mine about like a half an inch. You can make it as thick or as thin as you would like. And then I go into cutting the cucumber in fourths. Now this is also optional. You can leave it sliced as thin or as thick as you like I said, or you can even make them smaller. So I'm gonna go in to the tomato. This video has a lot of chopping in it, obviously, but I'm just going to slice the tomato and also take out all the seeds. When you do this, it helps not make your salad so soggy and so watery. That way it stays fresh longer. Now I'm just going to dice these into small bits and pieces, like so. And I'm just going to go in, gut the apple, cut it into fourths to remove the seeds. Now be careful, don't cut yourself. I didn't cut myself, but you know, just be careful while using your knives. Now, this is the trick to help your apples stay bright and crisp. Just go ahead and drizzle lemon juice on top of them. That way they also don't turn brown, and this does help the lettuce as well. Beautiful. So now that we have everything chopped, let's get started with our chicken. I'm just giving you guys another view of this. It looks really good already, and I have no seasoning, no chicken or nothing so far. Okay, on to the chicken. So for this recipe, I'm going to take 2 of the chicken breasts from the pack, and I'm just going to remove the fat from it. If you have a dog, this is good. Just fry it up and give it to them as a treat. But I did butterfly my chicken. So now that our chicken is washed and clean, I'm going to start off by seasoning with some garlic powder, cayenne pepper, Now, remember, cayenne pepper is optional. You do not have to use it. Then I'm gonna go in with black pepper. And then some Himalayan pink salt. Now make sure you pat the seasoning inside of the chicken and then flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Look at our chicken, it's fully seasoned and beautiful. Again, this is me just showing off the board because I'm so in love with it. So to our pan, I am going to put that on a medium-high heat. Take my extra virgin olive oil and I am going to add a tablespoon and a half to the pan. Make sure that gets really hot before placing your chicken breast inside. So I am gonna let this go for 4.5 minutes each side. You want to make sure you have a nice crust on your chicken. This helps fully season the salad. After 4.5 minutes, that's just me flipping it over. And let that go for another 4.5 minutes. Look at the color on the chicken. It's beautiful. So once your first batch is done, just do the same process to the other part of your chicken. And then just let it cool for about 5 minutes. So I'm just mixing the salad because I did add a little bit of the cranberries already. I am going to add a little bit more, that way you guys can see. And then I'm just gonna go in and start dicing up the chicken. Now you can make the chunks as big or as small as you want. And I'm just showing you guys how juicy it was. Now I'm just gonna go in with my avocado and slice that up. Give your salad a good toss. That way you have everything incorporated throughout the salad. These usually last just about a day in my house. My husband really likes these. They're really good. Now you can top them off with ranch or balsamic. I am going to show you guys my quick vinaigrette that I usually use for the salad, which is just olive oil and some lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Another way I do like my salad, if you guys have never tried it this way, is just a drizzle of ranch with a drizzle of barbecue sauce. Don't knock it till you try it. It is really good. So just finish mixing that up if you are going to use this. I did top the salad off with everything but the bagel seasoning. You can use just salt and pepper, or you don't even have to season it because this chicken is fully seasoned. So just drizzle it with your favorite dressing. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content. Hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. Again, I'll leave my friend's Instagram in the description box below, as well as mine. For more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.